Hello everyone, it's the second part of chicken souvlaki. After all that work this morning making tzatziki sauce in a bigger container, it all fit back in a small one. We're going to finish the process now. Over here is my chicken. I'm going to put it in this grill pan. I did the chicken this morning with you in the other video where the tzatziki sauce was made, and then I just pounded it so that it's super thin. It'll cook faster that way. It's going to cook pretty quickly. I'm pretty sure I might have to do, I think I have to fit both. I'm going to try to fit both in at the same time. Bear with me. I'm making a mess here. Let that start. Now, in this, not this bowl. In this bowl, I'm going to start what I would call my Greek salad. I want you to see the chicken, I want you to see the food, I want you to see, not me, but you're going to. Hopefully there's enough light. As I talked about, you go to Romana's and you ask for their souvlaki platter and you'll get this. So I'm going to make a pretty good sized Greek salad in here. Might as well use this as my garbage bowl over here. They give you rice pilaf, which I make brown rice for myself all the time. Oh my gosh, I'm in a mess here. And I freeze it. So I freeze it in portion sizes for myself. So I have some brown rice here. I'm going to pop it in the microwave. I'm going to warm that up, and I'm going to chop my spinach smaller than you would for yourself, because my stomach and salad don't get along unless it's spinach or kale. It's weird. I can't do iceberg lettuce much at all unless it's super small, and we're talking like a quarter cup. Ever since I had my operation, it's something that I can't tolerate so easy, but I can tolerate spinach, and I know it's good for me. So I eat a lot of spinach. So the people out there that don't like spinach, I'm probably not the page for you. So I'm going to make what I would call my Greek salad. This is going to be way more than one portion for me. Those 2 chicken breasts, Dave won't eat them. He might eat the chicken, I don't know. If I tell him there's lemon on it, he won't. One thing I want to do though, you might think it's strange. I have a couple portobello mushrooms I'm going to throw next to my chicken. I want to warm them up and grill them with the chicken. And then chop them up. I don't know, I like mushrooms. And they're good fiber. So I have to use things up. I hate throwing things away. And I might as well use them, right? What's wrong with mushrooms and chicken? So I'm going to grill them. Then they'll be, because portobellos, I would put raw mushrooms if they were the white ones on that spinach for spinach salad, but not portobellos. They have to be cooked, and maybe that's just me. These are the baby bellas. What do they call them? Baby bellas. There's another word for them. I can't think of it right now. What do they call them? Oh well. So they're grilling with the chicken, and now I'm going to keep going with the salad. So on my salad, I have a piece of red onion here. I got feta. I forgot to get cucumbers. Now I don't take a whole lot of cucumbers, just a little bit, and I'm going to do some onion, not too much because I'm only making that much salad. Are you able to see it? In my toaster oven behind me, or oven countertop, Teflon oven, is a pita heating up. I'm going to make the whole shebang. It's going to be like as if I was at Romana's having their souvlaki platter, but theirs is better, I think. So, I think I'm going to do just a piece of tomato, and I'm going to grill some tomatoes. I know, I like things warmed up, especially in the winter. I just took a walk. I said I was going to embrace the outdoors. Well guys, I walked the road that has no cars on it over there, and it's icy. So, I might be doing the treadmill walking inside, sadly. And I hate it. I hate being a shut-in. It doesn't do good for me. If I have 2 pieces of tomatoes, I'm going to stick them around here. Let them warm up. See how the chicken's doing. Not yet. If the chicken's sticking, it's not time to flip it. It's just not. So I'm going to take a couple pieces of this cucumber and dice them up. Because remember, I have cucumber in my tzatziki sauce. Are you able to see everything all right? Hopefully. Probably not. So we got spinach instead of lettuce. I've got roasted red peppers. I've got some Kalamata olives. And get a fork. Just a few pieces of peppers. I love roasted red peppers. I love them. And they're good, juicy. They got a lot of flavor. I'm going to cut up a couple, maybe 4 olives. I know you either like olives or you don't like olives. Can't see the food, can you? Everybody's got their thing. So me, I'm not that picky. The biggest problem I have is what I can tolerate since my operation. So far so good. We're looking Greekish. We've got feta. So I'm gonna flip my chicken, I think. Remember, I'm working with cast iron. Yep. Oh yeah. We got it going on. That's gonna be delicious. I pounded it. Now we move my mushrooms in there. Are you able to see? We'll make it hotter. I don't know why I ask questions of you when you obviously can't talk to me. It's not like we're live. So I'm gonna cut up about, probably too much, better. So I cut up a block off of it, and I'm gonna just crumble it on top of my spinach salad, which is the Greek salad, which is souvlaki, hopefully. And I'll show you how I'm going to plate it up after, when that chicken cooks. But I want the chicken cooked. I don't want raw chicken. So, we have a Greek salad and dirty fingers. So I am going to be right back. Alright everyone, I am going to show you the rest of this. I'm sorry I put you on hold for a few minutes just to clean up and get that chicken cooking. So I'm going to plate up my portion. So as I said, I had some brown rice. I don't eat much, maybe a 1/4 cup of brown rice, but it goes really well with souvlaki and everything that I'm going to put on it. And then I'll save the rest because Dave will eat the brown rice. And then I'm going to take some of my spinach salad, but this is too much for me. I know it doesn't look like a lot for the average person, but you have to remember I'm a bariatric patient. We eat less, like I'm a delicate flour. That's not true. And now just a sec, I'm going to cut some chicken, what I think to be my portion. It's going to be delicious, I can already tell. So I'm going to have, wait till you see when I grill these tomatoes, mushrooms. I know the tomatoes give it such flavor. You're either a mushroom lover or you're not. I'm sorry if you're not. This is way too much for my plate already right now, I know that. This is huge. We're not done yet though. So I have my tzatziki sauce you saw me make earlier. And the way they serve it at Romana's is with a vinaigrette for the salad, which I have my own. And then I'm going to put a little tzatziki sauce in my container. And I know this is good. Unbelievably good. So technically you're supposed to eat all this. And then also some pita chips. So I baked a pita, and I break the pita onto it. And there it is. My version of chicken souvlaki, Greek salad, tzatziki sauce, pita chips, brown rice instead of rice pilaf. I know it's dark in here. Let's see. Big difference, huh? No. Someday I'll get a ring light or whatever the heck they're talking about. That is my dinner, and thanks for being with me. And I hope that this is something that inspires you to cook healthy at home. I mean, I've got boneless chicken, Greek yogurt, and spinach and veggies, and I should have eaten this way my whole life. but I didn't, just like the rest of us. But I hope you have a great day, and that's chicken souvlaki, the finished product. I'm gonna turn that one off. Dave will probably have the other big piece of chicken with the brown rice. Have a great day. Love you guys.